Okay, I think we're going. Alright, so we got the fire going. We've dragged out the old Stirling engine project, and we found a few mistakes. We had the displacer is supposed to lead the power piston by 90 degrees. We had to correct that. And the other thing we found is this power cylinder is flexing back and forth when it operates. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it wants to work. So, you know, it's getting closer. We just have to make a few minor repairs and make sure that's leading that by 90 degrees. Yeah. Okay, so that's coming straight up, so 90 degrees would be that way. And give it a little. You can see how much it's flexing. So I think if we take care of that and do a better job on the crankshaft, and we'll have a working prototype. But it's real close to being working now. What happens if we put some ice on up here? Alright, so we got some ice on the displacer cold end, and let's see if it makes any difference. Ooh. And it wants to go. Alright, so we'll be making some corrections and test her again. Got to make it lighter. The whole thing is just way too heavy. I think we're going to add a second flywheel over here, and do a beefier frame. But we'll try to keep it as light as possible. And then once we get the power piston cylinder secure, so it doesn't flop back and forth, I think we'll be a lot better off. What's the other thing? Oh yeah, the air hoses going from the displacer to the power piston. We'll have to do a better job on that. Basically, we're going to do an entire rebuild. Yeah, but I tried it earlier, and it actually did a couple of rotations on its own. So it's indicating that it will work if I get it set up right. And then we'll see how it goes. Let's give it one more shot here. Whoa. Yeah, okay. Got to tighten up a bunch of set screws and stuff. And so we'll report results when available. Thanks for watching. Enjoy this great day. Cheers.